Multiplication, the action or process of multiplying something by something else. But what is multiplication? Multiplication is one of the last pieces of basic arithmetic that young children learn to be able to do everyday mathematics, for it is useful for most further math. All multiplication is making groups of something, like 5 times 4 is 4 groups of 5, and 6 times 8 is 6 groups of 8. To get the answer to a multiplication with two single-digit numbers is by adding your first number to 0 your second amount of times. So 9 times 4 is 0 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. This may seem useless at first, because couldn't you just do addition multiple times? The answer to that question is technically yes, but practically no. If I wanted to have 532 groups of 802, I could try doing the addition, but personally, I would prefer just multiply and save a few hours. This brings us to explain the common language. First, the numbers, the multiplicand and the multiplier, which when multiplied is called the product. Once again, the amazing mathematicians have gone above and beyond and called the symbol the times sign. The way to do multiplication is called log multiplication, and is where you put the multiplicand on top, your multiplier on the bottom, and a line and a multiplication symbol. You then multiply the first column using repeated addition, then write your answer below. If your number goes over 10, you put the amount of 10s it went over in your next column and the ones in your column you already have. You then do your next column and put it under your first number, then continue like that. Once you are done, you add together the numbers you got, draw a line, and the number you get is your final answer. Hopefully you liked the video, because it was a bit longer than my last ones, because this one reached 2 minutes, as the last ones only reached about 1 minute, so hopefully you like this better than the subtraction one, which is super short, and probably not very interesting, because there's a lot like addition. Bye!